Here's a quick tutorial how to make a mirror. We're going to start by making a game object. The game object, we can rename it to Andy Mirror Kit. And in the asset window, I'm going to create a render texture. In the render texture, we control the resolution of how it displays. Here, 1024 is good for a mirror for a PC. You might want to consider 512 by 512 for a mobile. We need to change the depth buffer to no depth buffer, and we need to change the wrap mode to mirror. That's that done. You can just rename it though. We can call that mirror render texture RT, so we know what it is. Let's now create a material. So create a material, and that's going to be mirror matte. And the mirror material needs to be on an unlit shader, an unlit texture shader, and set the offset to 1. This will make the mirror appear to be reversed as you're looking at a mirror, not just direct as the camera was looking at you. And select the mirror RT. You know it's got this little light on it that it's a render texture. So that's our texture and our material made. We're going to go and make a camera now and add that into my game object folder to create a camera. We're going to spin the camera around 180 degrees on the y-axis. That means it's going to be facing us, our object, when we get in there. I'm going to move it 1 meter on the z-axis, and I'm going to say the clipping near is going to be 1 meter to the same, always the same values for these two. Leave everything else pretty much as it is, except audio listener. Get rid of that. We don't want that. That will stop it uploading. Now create our mesh 3D object. I'm going to make a quad. We're going to take our material, which is mirror matte, and drop it on the quad. We go back to the camera and tell it the target texture. We're going to tell that to use mirror RT. And you can see now that that is actually reflecting what's behind it, like a mirror does. It's not quite registered in the same position. The camera really needs to be the same size as our texture. If I make it 0.8, and that 0.8, you can see it's a bit too small, so you fish around. I know from earlier, from playing with this, this is 0.866, and that also is 0.866, and that looks like it fits our geometry perfectly. All that's left now is to go back to the quad, remove the mesh collider, remove component, and then go into our uploader. I've already put the name of it and the name of the item. I'm going to say convert, and that's it. I mean, you understand that if you have a prefab, that you might want to edit the prefab. I have to go in there, collider, select prefab, open prefab asset, and if I look at the inspector for that, it's got a box collider. I don't want a box collider. I'll remove that, add component, physics, I'll turn it into a mesh collider. And that's it. I'm ready to upload it. And load your prefab kits, build, and that's it. We're done. You know how to do the rest of it? Good luck.